Hi guys, I'm John with Travel in Time. In today's video I will show you what can you visit near London, places easy to access and you don't need a lot of time to travel to these places. So for today I choose two locations. First one is Mountford Castle and NormanVillage. You will find this site near Stansted Airport. To go there you need to take a train, Greater Anglia. Ticket cost for one adult is around £36.20 with return, and the journey is take 1 hour and a half. Formerly an Iron Age hill fort, this historic site was also a Roman Sinus fort and later a Saxon and a Viking settlement before being attacked in 1066 by William the Conqueror, who built a wooden moat and bailey castle here. Mountford Castle was also briefly used by the Royalist army to King Charles in the English Civil War in the 17th century. The Royalist forces held out the castle when they were laid siege to by Cromwell. After many years of work, the restoration of Mountford Castle was complete and was opened to the public in 1985 and is unique as being the only wooden moat and bailey reconstruction on its original site anywhere in the world.
The prison is called the Constable. In front of you, you see the many punishments which were handed out to people who disobeyed the laws. If you were caught hunting the Baron's deer, you had your hand cut off, as you see happening here in front of you. Many hostages were taken, held to ransom, for large sums of money. Some of the hostages were treated as house guests.
Second location is located south from London, Shorey Hills. You can take the southern train from London Farrington to Dorking and ticket for one adult cost £11.70 with return. Shorey Hills is a short hike with view over the Dorking city. You can enjoy your free time, nature, and you can walk through the city to admire the old structure and to feel that historic vibe of the city. Hierophant Monument is the third place that I want to show you, which is near London. So let's go in that direction. To be honest, it's so quiet. No car and on the other side on the road you will see very quickly, you will see very fast the Hierophant Monument, and it's pretty nice. So, because you need a permit to make some video footage, photography or anything else, I can't show you the footage that I make. The moment I see the sign which says if you want to make a video for social media or photography or something like that, you need a permit. So very late I realized that, and because of that I can't show you the footage that I make. I will let you with the videos that I make outside the area. Enjoy to see where it goes. So I don't know where exactly I am on the trail, but it seems that I found this, and it looks very amazing. If you find in your way this thing, you must try.